My name is Luciano Lopez. I am a senior high school student and I am attending Charlotte Technical College for Baking and Pastry. So I'm currently in the Baking and Pastry department, and I recently graduated the culinary program. And right now I'm studying gluten development, as in like quick breads, yeast-filled breads, rich breads, as well as cookies and scones. So I'd say about 70% of the program is hands-on, so you're in the kitchen most of the time. Bookwork is really important as well. They're on top of you with that. Just being able to learn the fundamentals and actually apply it in the kitchen is what they're all about. And in terms of experiences, we have caterings probably twice a month, and multiple students take part of that, and it's a great experience to get your name out there and learn what the business is like outside of just being in the kitchen. This originally wasn't my desired career, but the intensity at which the chefs push us to is a new level of experience that I want to find for myself. So the level of passion they have in their food is something that you can't teach, and that's something I want to learn. After graduating, I am attending the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park, New York, where I will be getting my associate's degree in culinary arts and possibly learning my bachelor's degree in advanced food science.